Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be comparing the Tastytrade, Tradovate, and the Tradingview, three of the most talked about trading platforms. First, let's go with the Tastytrade. It is an option-focused broker known for its education-heavy platform with zero commissions and an active trader tools. Now, choose the Tastytrade if you are an options trader who wants a low fees, support strong, and a top-tier education. Now, when it comes on the Tradovate, it is a future trading platforms offering commissions-free options, deep charting, and an integration with the NinjaTrader. Now, choose with the Tradovate if you are a futures trader looking for a fast execution and a commission-free plans. Now, when it comes on to the Tradingview, it is a charting platform and social network for traders, offering broker integrations and best-in-class technical analysis tools. Now, choose the Tradingview if you prioritize deep charting, analysis, and a strategy testing, especially if you already have a broker. Now, each application excels in different area. Know your trading style and the choice becomes easy. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.